Hello viewers of this video. This is the second to last, or most likely the second to last demonstration of this machine, which I shall not for now have to refer to as the card spitter-inator. You get a cookie if you understand the reference. There are four primary components to this card spitter-inator. The first is the motor box, which physically spits the cards out. There is the control breadboard, which controls this motor right here, through various methods. And there's the interface, or the human interface, that allows the human to interface with the motor indirectly through the Arduino. The Arduino is the interface that allows the human interface to connect to the control when the control connects to the motor. It is in its final physical stage. I think my only other thing I may do is buy a better brush, because the one I have is in pretty shabby condition. Code-wise, I'm fairly good. I'm about 98% done. There's a few minor bugs that I wish to squash, but those bugs are almost irrelevant to the program itself, and so I'm not going to be too worried about those. But I will probably spend the time to squash them, because it won't take me long at all. When I plug, the motor itself is powered off a 9-volt power source, and that motor is controlled via a transistor right here. The motor speed is controlled via PWM, or otherwise known as post-width modulation, and that is controlled by this potentiometer here. The timing of the bursts is controlled by this potentiometer right here. I shall plug the Arduino into a 5-volt power source to start it up. Okay? Fires the motor up as a small test, and we are in blue mode. The blue mode is what I like to call calibration mode. It is the mode in which I can calibrate, make sure that the brush is in exactly right position to catch all cards but the first card. I shall give that a test by pressing this button, and it seems to be functioning. The brush, that is. Maybe a little bit upwards. I had trouble with that last burst. A little bit too upwards, maybe angled slightly differently. Downwards a bit. What I actually need to do is get a better brush. So maybe downwards a bit more. But I'm not going to spend the majority of my time doing that. I should have done it beforehand, but I am lazy. That is the truth. The second mode is the red mode. This is the primary mode, and it spits out exactly one card every 4 seconds, and it spits out every single card. I shall initiate that by pressing this button. As we can see, we had one card, wait, 3, 2, 1. And we have another card, wait, 3, 2, 1. And we have another card, wait, so, 3, 2, 1. And we had another card. Oh, I'm pulling the cards out wrong. 3, 2, 1. We have another card. 3, 2, 1. And we should have another card, wait, 3, 2, 1. Should have another card, and so forth. And that will do that until all the cards have been removed from the machine. Because that is quite a boring process to watch, I will switch to the third mode, which is by far the most fun mode. It is the green mode. I shall flip this up, and I can use almost as many cards as I want. If I use too many, it'll put too much pressure on the motor, and the mode will not work. For this demonstration, I shall fill it up with about 100 cards, I estimate, and position it to the side, and press the button to start. And that is the demonstration of my card machine as in its current state. Thank you for watching.